Hi brothers and sisters, out in the workshop, just finished up another gorgeous wedding ring holder. This is made out of some dyed birch. It's got some yellow and red. It's got the heart floating up here. The wedding ring sits right here, one of a kind. I'm sure you're looking at it on the website, more likely at the luxuryringhaven.com. Let's set it down here on the work table. Okay, we've set this one down on the workbench, and you can tell all the angles that this one has. It's got an angle here, the angles. I put a lot of angles on this one. The whole piece has got quite a few angles on it. The post sits in the center there. It's made out of a dyed birch like the rest of the piece. There's no epoxy on the post because I didn't want it coming off with over time as you were setting your wedding ring on it. Beautiful piece. Definitely a keeper. So let's continue the video. Okay, we've seen it here up close. So have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus. And I'll see you on the next video and the next wedding ring holder.